Yo, we back, man. So, yeah, y'all see what's going on? Got that old Ken 10 customs on, man. Y'all see what's going on with that, man? Stop playing. Big crown. Ken 10, man, right there on the line. Box Chevy dude, man. You know what I'm saying? Take your box Chevy over there to keep, man. Matter of fact, it don't even matter what kind of car you got. Take it over there to Ken 10 Customs, man. That's my dog. Hey, that's my dog. I can call that cat there my friend, man. Solid, real solid dude. Hey, but look, you know what I'm saying? Got this wiring done for these fans, man. As y'all can see, this right here, it's the fan wires right here. Boom, look how clean that is. Going all the way up the side up there, back down through there. Yeah, I know this battery not gonna be here, so I don't plan for the battery to be here. So we got this going through here, boom, boom, boom. All the way across. All the way across, look, y'all see that? All the way over there. Boom. To your fuse block. Then I got the fan wires loomed up. Boom, they come down here. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna have to loom these up down here. I have to loom these up and run them through. I'm gonna run everything through this right here, through these little wire holders, and that'll be it for that. But that's a clean look, man. It's a good clean look. Now I just want to buy some loom and loom everything now. Well, that looks so clean to me. Damn, that look clean. If I can, man, get all that crap over there, look at that. If I can get all this stuff out the way, I'd be good. But we ain't gonna too much worry about it. We ain't gonna too much worry about it. I just want to come in here. This right here, these are the only things that I got left. So, well, this is supposed to be in some loom that's already here. So, them just some grounds. Them grounds for, I don't know what this ground for. This ground might be for the fog lights, I think. Nah, this is the ground for the fog lights. So I don't know what this ground for, but this one is for the fans, the transmission cooler. I don't know what this is. What is this? Cause I can't even see where that's going. Either way, whatever it is working something because I had to have it on there for something. So I got my fog lights, fans. What else could there be? I don't know what this is. It's the fog light stuff. Oh, that is a fog light. This is a fog light ground. Yep. So, yeah. But yeah, man, I'm finna go ahead and get out of here. I'm gonna have to zip tie that up. I'm gonna zip tie that to these other wires that's already loomed up here. Zip tie them up and yeah, I'll be done. I'll be done as far as that part. This right here is where, you know what I'm saying, I got my power wire coming out. It's gonna hook in right there. That's to activate the actual fan relays. So yeah. We all good, man. We are all good. Now I just gotta get in contact with the guy, man, so I can get my AC transducer bong put in. I don't even know where it go. I don't know if it go on this line or if it go on this line. I ain't really sure. I ain't sure, man. Might go on this line though, but like I said, I don't know. I don't know, but. Yeah, so get in contact with him, man, so he can get over here to do the AC part. I probably won't do that until I get the car turned around and all that good stuff there. I ain't really worried about it right now. That's not really a big necessity right now. I mean, it'll work though, but it's not a big necessity right now. So yeah, with that being said, man, I'm gonna tap out, man. I'm gonna tap out. It's your dog, Big B-Lo, Mr. Ironman himself. And I'll catch y'all in the next one, man. Yo, What's happening? Man, we back up in here with another one of them things, man. Damn, I look like I'm black. I can't see nothing. Alright, there we go. Yeah, man, back up in here with another one of them things, man. Y'all know how we do. Go ahead and like the video now. Consider subscribing. I wish you would. I wish you would go and subscribe. I just wish. Send a comment. Send a comment. Just tell me you was here. You ain't even got a comment about the video. Just tell me you was here, so I can know you was here. You know what I'm saying? But today, man, I'm excited. I'm sure Ashley excited. You know what I'm saying, man? We about to, I'm about to head out to the warehouse for the flooring solutions, man. I'm about to go and pick up the flooring, man, for the bathroom. About to go and pick that up, get that back to the crib, and man, we gotta see how we finna lay this pattern, how we finna do this, and man, we finna start laying some floor, man. Hopefully, we might start today. I don't know, depending on how she feel, but hopefully, man, it'll be, you know, real soon, so we can start, you know what I'm saying, doing this. So we're gonna have to do a lot of cleaning out of the bathroom. And like stuff that we got everywhere, clean all this stuff out, man, so we can get the flooring laid. Yeah, so headed out here, man. Just want to let y'all know. I'm gonna pick the camera up when I get back out here, and yeah. But yeah, anyway, that's where we at. So, man, was that a deer? That's a dog. That's a deer. No, that ain't no deer. Yeah. I got sidetracked, I'm sorry. I'll pick up the camera, man, when I get out here. Cause I gotta hurry up, cause I gotta get back to get to do the main. So, yeah. I'll let y'all in a second. Yeah. So we got the flooring in the car. Now, this is porcelain. High gloss porcelain. My car is finna ride. This shit's so heavy. My car finna ride so different right now. But I gotta be extremely careful because the breakage on this is very, very high. And they ship it standing up. I almost want to get out and look and see how low my car's sitting in the back right now. I think I'm gonna give y'all that footage. How low is the Firebird sitting right now? Extreme gaming. This thing dirty. Yeah, I'm sitting low. I'm sitting to the ground. Boy, I'm race mode. Look at that. I'm in full race mode, baby. Yeah. So, that's what we got, man. Gotta get this thing on back to the house. I'm way out here on the other side of town. And, yeah. We gotta get it to the house, man, without breaking it. So, yeah, it's riding different and everything. Like I might screw up the driveway, leaving out of here. We're gonna be careful though. We're gonna try to be very, very careful. Might have to drive a little slow. It ain't gonna take me long to get back. It ain't gonna take me long to get back home, but it's gonna take longer now because you gotta be careful. Hey man, look at it. He said those people sell those cars like, oh, that's a Cadillac right there, Corvette. They said they remodel those cars. They do full restos on them, and it's called Art something. I'm gonna have to go back over there. I'm gonna have to get y'all that footage. But they sell them, and he said that the deal with those cars is some of these people like order them cars from like Dubai
like people that's not even living over here, they'll order those cars or they'll send them over here and they'll, you know what I'm saying, have them restore them or whatever. And then like they never, like they come back and get them, but it takes them a long time to come and get them. So I don't know what the dude was saying, but what he sound like what he was saying was they getting charged storage on them cars, and yeah, that's what it sounded like he was saying. But I don't know. But anyway, we gotta go over there. I'm gonna have to look back at this video. Matter of fact, I could well yeah, I could put it in my GPS and see what the name of the business is. And we're gonna have to get back over there because I was looking in the window and I was like, oh, like, wait a minute, what y'all got going on here? So yeah, we gotta get over there, y'all. We got to get over there. Come on, light, there we go. So yeah, let me get on back to my side of town. Very carefully, because I don't want to break my tiles. So we're gonna be cruising over there, and I'm gonna have to switch cars to go and get duty, man, because I ain't gonna, this stuff so heavy, I ain't gonna be able to unload this stuff and go and get him on time. So yeah, let me focus on the road, make sure I don't hit no potholes or nothing, man, because I got it laying there. I got a little padding on it, but not a whole lot. So let me get on out here and man, get on back to the house, and then I'll hit y'all when I make it safely. Hopefully we don't break nothing on the way, because Ashley gonna be mad. I think they sent more than what I ordered though. So if I do break something, it might not be that bad. I might have a few replacements. But yeah, let's get down. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Man himself. Man, I'm coming to here. Just look, I just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there. Man, hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels, $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't Man Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't Man Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man. If you haven't done it already, go ahead and explore that join button, man. And yeah, enjoy those enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video. Yeah, made it to the house safely, man. So now I gotta make sure I get there to get duty on time. So I loaded this thing up. Now we're gonna shoot on over. I'm gonna hop in the Camry. Shoot on over to the school, pick duty up. And then come on bike. Yeah, I'm gonna do it like that. I need to check my camera, see if he sprayed my grass today. I think I'm finna start getting my grass sprayed, man. Gotta be yard of the month. Finna get to it. I'm finna get him and I'm finna get him good. Yep. Man, I like how that old Firebird is sitting, man. But like, we need to have that junk sitting like that for real. That thing in full race mode. Dropped. But yeah, I'm finna unload. I ain't even finna
Man, look at that. Look at that. How? How, man? How I get a nail in the sidewall of the tire? Man, I hope it ain't go all the way through. That's crazy. Gotta take that thing to Walmart tomorrow. But yeah, man, I'm finna unload this stuff. And that just pissed me off. That just pissed me off so bad, man. Wow. We gonna take this stuff in the house. Yeah, so I'm gonna see if y'all can see the vision. I don't know where you're blazing. I'm gonna see if y'all can see this vision, man. See what we got. Can y'all see the vision? I don't really see it yet, but I guess. So this gotta go. They said leave like 1.5 inches, I think, away from like I forgot what they said. 1/2 inch away from like the walls or whatever. Like this wall, this stuff ain't even, so it's gonna be it's gonna be funky like. But we gonna make it work, and we doing the work ourselves, man. So yeah, this finna be a project here, boy. So we're doing the whole bathroom floor, like from all this over there. We're doing her closet. When the tub come out, now this right here gonna be our shower right here. This is gonna be the shower. This is gonna be a closet. That shower gonna be a closet. That window is gonna be frosted, kind of like that, but it's gonna be clear. That design stuff ain't gonna be there. Yeah, I gotta do the bath that side over there. But that side of the floor has to be taken up. I don't know what I gotta do. I guess I gotta bust them tiles out first to see what's gonna be over there. And then of course we'll come back with the countertops and all the good stuff there. But right now this bathroom really don't get used too much. So, cause we don't use it to, it's really just a storage. This is just really like another storage closet. Or if I come in here and do something. You know what I'm saying? But it really ain't too much. But yeah, man. Marble flows for my toes. That's crazy. I'm gonna get this done. Try to get this done in a couple days. I gotta go and buy me a diamond blade to cut the porcelain. Check this out. My trash can is already, you know what I'm saying? Come on, man. We knew we was finna do, well, I knew we was finna do this, I guess. She bought that trash can, I ain't even back. But, yeah. So, that's gonna be a project. I ain't never did it, she ain't never did it. We just finna be, I don't know. We gotta clean this stuff up. We finna be, boy, ooh-wee. But it's gonna be worth it though. So, yeah, when we start, I'll show y'all what we doing. But until then, just hold what you got. I ain't gonna stop the video, just hold what you got. We'll be doing that in a minute.